Space. No, not that type of space, but rather space on your computer. I can't go a week at work without a client asking about space on the computer or in the cloud. Because ever since the cloud came into our lives, and especially cloud storage, it's been kind of confusing for everyone, right? What space is in the cloud and what space is on my computer? Well, I'm happy to hear that most people are even thinking about this because that's good. The space on your computer is super important. Now, running out of space in the cloud sucks because then, obviously they ask you to pay for more or you can't put more into the cloud space. But space on your computer is even more important. And let me tell you why. Having a safety bubble of free space on the computer is important for the overall performance and to ensure that your machine continues to run the way it should. So today, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to check the actual space that's being used on your computer, not what's in the cloud, and how to determine where the space is being used, and then how to free up some of that space, okay? So let's hop over to Rogue One and jump right into this. All right, so let's check out how much space we're using. And again, this is the Windows operating system, Windows 11 specifically. But this has been universal for Windows for a while, and that's why I'm going to show you it this way. Okay, it's the simple way, but from Windows 7 to 11, this method would work, and it's pretty simple. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your File Explorer. If you have it down on your taskbar, that's awesome. You can open it from the taskbar. Now, if you don't, you have to hit the Windows key plus E. That's probably the fastest way, and a little shortcut there, something to teach you. Windows key and E, that's for your File Explorer. And once that opens, you're going to see in the sidebar an option that says this PC. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to click on this PC. And that's going to show you all of the drives that are on your computer in the middle. Okay. Now it's going to show how much of the drive you've used. Now, so you don't have to sit there and figure out the difference or do the math. You can right click on the drive, go to properties, and it'll tell you exactly how much space you've used. Okay. And in this case, we're checking the main drive. That's the operating system drive. And that's designated with this little Windows symbol here that we see. And we're gonna right click properties, and okay, we've used some space here. And now I want to know, where is that space being used? Because that's nice that I have this like lump number, but can't really do much with that, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a tool called SpaceMonger. Now this is just one of the many cool tools that we use here at My Computer Works on a day-to-day basis, or that we might use when trying to determine how much space is being used on somebody's computer. We do a lot of cleanups and check out computers all the time and try to see where the space is being used for business computers, personal home computers, whatever. And we use this tool quite a bit. So SpaceMonger, I open it up, boom, it's going to go through all my files that's in my drive, run through it, and it's going to show me what exactly is using that space on my computer. And it even breaks it down by designation, like location. It shows the file path, so I can go find that stuff and remove it. It also shows me how much of the space, not only by how big the block is, but when I click on the block, it shows over here a percentage and by gigabytes how much is actually being used. So I can check out those larger blocks and check out to see how much space is being used. Now this is kind of a complex tool. Not everybody is gonna be able to just bust out and use this if you're not super tech savvy. Again, never forget, number is at the beginning of the video and at the end of the video. You can always give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out with this, okay? But I just wanted to kind of show it in the video and let everybody know that tools out there exist like this that you can use. And it's pretty awesome because it helps you, save you a lot of time. You don't have to go through each section. Obviously with Windows, we don't have a cool little breakdown like Mac does that gives the exact amount of what apps, desktop, different things are eating up your space. So this is a way to do it on Windows and kind of get that same user interface readout without having to go search a bunch of stuff for properties on each folder. Okay. Now that I've shown you this, I want to show you the built-in cleaning tool for Windows operating system, which is the disk cleanup. So this is always pre-installed on your operating system, and an awesome tool to clean out things like temporary files and other garbage that you don't really need anymore. Old version of Windows updates that are sitting on the system, and like cache, different things like that. Cached files, temporary files, things like that. And it gives you a breakdown. You can see exactly what you're deleting and click on it and kind of tells you what you're deleting. But if you run this tool as administrator, you can get the most out of it. It'll give you all the options of what you can remove. You can select what you want to remove and then start it. Okay. And Again, running as admin allows me more options, so definitely make sure you guys do that when you run it. All right, everyone, that is it. That is a great place for any novice computer user or non-tech savvy individual to start, right? If it gets too complicated and you need help, definitely reach out to us. The numbers at the beginning and the end of the video down in the description. Please, while you're down there, everyone, leave a comment. Leave a comment on what you want to see. We want to know what ideas that you want to see, what you'd like to see me do over on Rogue One. Learn a couple things, whatever you want to see or do. Leave a comment. We'd be happy to cover the subject. And please, while you're down there, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see everyone on the next one.